Now, when you learn how to drive, your instructor should be showing you how to put gas in your car. You need to know how to do routine maintenance, check your oil, check air pressure, put gas in your car. It depends on the school you go to, on the state you're in. Some driving schools don't want teens or young adults pumping gas. Why? They spray themselves with gasoline, so they have stopped that. They said, hey, my instructor never showed me how to put gas into a car. I get it. You always have to look around. You saw me look. I'm at a sketchy gas station, but you got to get gas. But I'm okay because I have water, right? I got a little coffee, right? And then I got a breakfast sandwich. But you're probably saying, bro, it's 4 o'clock. What are you doing eating a breakfast sandwich from this morning? It's cold, but I don't care. That's gonna knock out that hunger. Because when you get hungry and you get tired, that's when you start driving fast. That's when you start being irritated.